Hindi na pinilit. Sing! Sa totoo lang, parang nakita ko si Sarah Geronimo sa performance niya dito. Yung galaw niya sa stage, yung confidence niya, the way she belts the high notes, yung facial expression niya, yung hand gestures niya, and her presence. I'm not saying na magkapareha sila ng tone quality ni Miss Sarah Geronimo. What I'm saying is the way she moved and performed that song, parang may vibe na Sarah Geronimo. Balikan nyo ulit, tingnan nyo yung galaw niya. The way she express, okay, herself sa pagkanta, yung body language niya, pakinggan nyo and panoorin nyo ulit. And let me know in the comment section if you agree or not.